they on that one or no?
No, they weren't on that one.
Well, I'll just stand here and record. Then we won't miss it. You see how he was lying in the Nemo thing? He's lying on Jason.
He was tired. Was he scared or tired?
I think he's just tired.
Okay.
He's overtired.
Of course. He's had a nap in how many days?
Exactly.
And he's a pretty good napper, you know?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Did you finally see Nemo? No. You didn't see Nemo? And all the bubbles? No. I did. You must have been sleeping. Juan Carlos. Well, I'm nervous. Nervous for what? Nope, we're on that one. Alright, it is 421. What's that? Don't you blow off your fist at me. Tough guy.
Emerson, talk nice.
Blow him off. Kiss. Be a sweet boy. I'll give Connor my kiss. I destroy his mouth.
We're going up next. They're both going 25 They come out right here. Carter, come on.
Hello. Didn't tell, Darla. Didn't see him in that one either.
Well, we should be able to hear Jason scream like a little girl. Because I heard that from way over there. I'm like, oh, Daddy's on that one. Not that one.
It takes a while to get through. Read the next one.
Well, I got video of everybody.
I'm okay, thanks.
Settle down, Emerson. Watch for Daddy and Connor. And Grandpa.
Hey, Darla.